What's the advantage of having requirements point directly to Git repository rather than PyPi? Recently I asked a Python library maintainer if he could upload a new tagged version of his library to PyPi, this URL. He stated that PyPi is not so important nowadays. 1. Is this true? Do people, i.e. you, indeed tend not to use PyPi? If so, what do you use instead and why? The requirements.txt apparently allows you to specify the Git repository directly, skipping PyPi by using git plus this URL, directly. Though I can't think of any particular advantage over using PyPi. Are there any graphs to support the statement? Should the statement be true, I would expect the amount of downloads from PyPi, per interval, would be decreasing in time. PyPi publishes this kind of data to Google BigQuery. Checked now and the number of downloads are as follows. Obtained using this query. I am aware that this question might not have a correct answer and thus might not be following all the standards of questions asked at Stack Overflow. However, I can't think of better place to ask on this. 1. This URL.
PyPi is not so important nowadays, is this true? Not at all. The advantages of publishing on PyPi. One can publish wheels at PyPi, so pip install package downloads a platform-specific wheel. PyPi is hosted at a CDN, content delivery network, so downloading from PyPi is fast. 3a. Pip caches downloaded packages, so it doesn't re-download packages for every virtual environment. It caches by their original URLs, and the URLs for PyPi are stable. 3b. Pip very badly caches cloned repositories. Usually it re-clones the entire repository.